we like the modular design is the markets that we serve always have additional content and changes that require them to make modifications and add different content throughout the years of the program of the contract. And by creating a bolt together modular design, we are very scalable. We can adapt to those changes very easily, especially in the automotive or custom manufacturing market. We can move with their demands very easily, and instead of extended shutdowns, we're able to go in over weekends during non-production hours and usually implement some of the changes that they would like to include so that they can cover that additional content. If there is any requirement changes, parameters changes to the cure times or the wash sequence or the chemistry, then usually it does require the chain to be broken or a lot of downtime, because you cannot work on any one area of a chain conveyor like you can with ours. With our zone control, it gives us the flexibility that we could even work in an individual lane and allow a bypass lane to continue to run production. So the downtime to make a change to a chain conveyor is significantly higher than what it would be for using an IntelliFinishing solution. A lot of comments that we get regarding the IntelliFinishing solutions we've provided is how clean the environment is, and it's not typical for paint applications to have that cleanliness, simply because a lot of the power and free solutions they've seen in the past require lubrication. There's always grease dripping, there's dirt, and so our conveyor is a clean and very quiet modular system, and so there isn't the extra grease and dirt that's usually in the air or around the system. And so they'll take a look at it and think, oh, is this a brand new system and it's been running for 5 years because of that. Most of our design is sealed for life, and there is no requirement for lubricating a chain or greasing things. And the only area that we do require, and it's minimal maintenance as well, but a couple of load wheels on the trolleys need to get a shot of grease into the Zerk fittings, and that's about the only lubrication required. Everything else is sealed for life, and so not only clean and modular, but it's also very low maintenance.